Here we go, good morning. Update on the Sherpa Campervan. There she is. Done a lot of work. We replaced all the brake units, all the master cylinders, slave cylinders, piping, all that sort of stuff. Brakes are ready to go. I've done a lot of work on the body. Almost ready for repainting. A little bit more work to do there. A lot of work along the windows, along the windscreen here, getting everything rebuilt, the gutter up there. A little bit more left to do and we can repaint it. But I'm moving, so I've got to relocate this van now. 1,000 kilometers from here in the Karoo in the Eastern Cape, South Africa, to KwaZulu-Natal, but we may go via Joburg still. So I'm using it as a moving van as well. We're going to tow it. I built an A-frame to go in front, but as you can see, I've got my fridge, my washing machine, my desk, my kitchen table, whole bunch of stuff in there, and I want to try and get my sofa in here, my lounge couch. Now the couch won't go through the door with the fridge, so here's a crazy thing. I've taken the roof off. I'm going to drop it through the roof. Let's see if it works, otherwise this will have been a lot of effort for nothing. Let's go. Now I'm on my own. I'm going to do this on my own, so that's going to be the next challenge. Alright, well the next challenge is, here's the couch. I'm on my own. I've got to get it from here in the house, in the lounge, to out there in the van. Now lucky for me, my house has got a big door here that I can reverse my car into. So I'm just going to lift it up and lie it on the car. It's soft, so it's not going to damage the car. Hope this works. Let's see. Alright, well it's on. Do I shut down to drive it there? I don't think so, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Let's have a look. Well, there we go. It's in. Come have a look. Glad that worked, because that was a lot of work, a lot of effort on my own. But as they say, we make a plan. A boer maak 'n plan. I'm not a boer. There we go. Good.